Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope you all are doing very well. So today I'll be talking on this topic, which is physical significance of this negative energy, which we have derived in the yesterday's video. So somebody had a doubt that what is the meaning of this negative energy, what is the significance, and how can we have a negative energy, right? So I understand why are you confused, because you cannot imagine a negative energy, correct? So let me first try to clarify the doubt. What is this negative minus gm1 m2 by r means, right? First of all, we are never writing the value of absolute potential energy. What we have derived in the yesterday's video, that is the change in the potential energy. We are not writing the absolute value of the potential energy at a distance r, right? And it is almost impossible to write the absolute value. So whenever we have to write a potential energy, we have to take a reference. Here what we have done is we have taken infinite as a reference, and we are saying that at infinity the energy is potential, gravitational potential energy is zero, and when you bring it near to the surface of earth, there is some negative, that change is negative, right? So to visualize it, you can understand it like this. Let's say that at infinite distance the energy, the gravitational potential energy is 10, and when you are bringing it near to the earth it becomes 5. These are absolute values that I'm talking about. So what is the change is minus 5. So we are writing minus 5, this formula of minus gm1 m2 by r, that is equal to minus 5 here, right? So we are not writing the absolute value 5 as minus gm1 m2 by r. We are writing this change because we don't know what is the gravitational potential energy at infinity. We don't know what is the gravitational potential energy at a distance r. But what we can do is we can determine the change, right? Because we can calculate the work done, correct? So this is what the significance of negative potential energy is. Negative means that the system, what it means is that the system is bounded, right? So for example, you have in our solar system we have sun, and the planets are revolving. So the total mechanical energy of these planets is negative. The reason being is that they are bounded to the sun. They cannot just fly away, they cannot just leave the orbit and fly away. And for that to happen, you have to give some energy, you have to give some additional energy, so that the total energy at least becomes zero or greater than zero. Then only they can escape, right? So you can visualize this as a bounded system. It happens when the electrons are revolving around the atoms. They also have a negative total mechanical energy, right? So whenever the energy is negative, it means that the system is bounded, right? And you have to do some external work on that object to make it escape to the infinity. And you might know that when we derive this formula for escape velocity, we make the total mechanical energy to be zero, minimum velocity. So we make the total mechanical energy to be zero for that to happen. So we are using the same concept there also. We are saying that for the object to escape to infinity, the energy at infinite at least has to be zero, right? Because right now it is negative, it is a bounded system, it is negative. So this is what the negative energy means. And now I'll ask you another question, that is actual absolute negative energy possible? Here what we are writing minus gm1 into by r, that is the change in the potential energy, right? Change could be negative, obviously it could be negative. There could be 10, here it could be 5, so the change could be minus 5. But is the absolute value negative possible? Is it possible that I can have a negative energy of minus 10? So I'll tell you this in the next video. Stay tuned and have a very great day. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye, take care.